Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video we will be understanding about one more annotation provided by the Jackson API, and that is JSON property order. So JSON property order annotation is used to define the ordering of the properties or the fields in the JSON. So for understanding about this annotation I will be using the same example which I have used in my earlier videos, where we have tried to convert employee object into the JSON using the Jackson API object mapper. Okay, so this is our employee object. It has first name, last name, designation, and age. And as you can see, using the object mapper, we are trying to convert into the JSON string. So let's first try to run this program and see what is the output of this code. So as you can see, this is our output. So output consists of first name, age, role, and last name. So in first line, it's just printing as a simple JSON, and in the next, you can say it's a pretty print of the same JSON. Okay. So if you notice the ordering of the fields in this output JSON, we have first name, then we have age, then we have role and last name. Okay. Now, if we want to display these fields in a particular order, how we will do it? So in that case, we can use JSON property order annotation to define the order in which we want these fields or properties to be printed in our JSON. Okay, so let's use JSON property order in our employee model class. Okay, so this is the JSON property order. Now what we have to do is we have to define the order. Okay. We will have first name, then we want to have last name, after that age, and then at last we will have role. Okay, so we have tried to define this order like first name, last name, and then age, and then role. Okay, so here just want to bring one thing into your notice that we have used a JSON property annotation, as I have shown you in earlier example, to rename this designation field as a role. Okay, so in the output response, what we will get this field as a role, not with the name as designation. So now let's go to the main code. So this is our response. Now you can see now the ordering of fields is like first name, then last name, then age, and then role. So this is same what we have defined in our model class with the help of JSON property order. So this is how we can define the ordering of the fields in a JSON using the JSON property order. So that's all for the JSON property order. It's a very straightforward use. for this annotation. I hope you would have understood the use. So request you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also there are many other videos related to the Jackson library which you can go to my channel and watch it. Thank you.